Ninja Man, I would like to ask you a few questions. They are saying that there's a shift in the music industry in regards to reggae music. What is causing that?
Work now finish and Buju Banton to finish them work there with Bob Marley youth them and I the music industry.
Why Buju? Is he the only reggae artist?
Buju is a big asset we're missing out of dancehall.
So what about yourself and Vybz Kartel?
You know, so sometimes we make some mistakes, some we are real idiots.
What? How dare you to say such things, Ninja? Explain that to me.
I'm not telling you some artists are mad people.
Mad people? What do you mean?
We lost some school somewhere down the line, so sometimes we have to see with the artists and say, then no sense, you know, and have mercy upon them.
So why it is like that with artists?
Because sometimes fame and fortune get in at the wrong lane for the wrong name. You understand me? And me I talk from experience because right now, me I live a different life and no man can't get me caught up in a no foolish.
Okay, Ninja, okay. Why is it that so much of our artists are incarceration?
There's times when things happen. You understand? Life is one big road, the other sign. You understand? So you have to just know, say, yeah, me know. We are praying for all our friends them. And we are asking mercy for who that we can have mercy for.
Yes, Ninja, thank you very much for the reasoning. Same. Really appreciate it. Looking forward to see you guys back on the street and on the stage performing for the people. This is Shakin Murray. And I'm out.